You get a lawsuit notice, and suddenly your job, money, and future feel at risk. It's confusing and scary, but what if you could see every step clearly and take control? This video is your roadmap to confidence, clarity, and calm through a lawsuit. Quick disclaimer, this video is for educational purposes only. It is not legal or financial advice. Always consult a qualified lawyer for your situation. Step 1. The complaint. A lawyer files a complaint in the courtroom. Papers alone can trigger a cascade. To get through this, you should stay calm, read documents carefully, take notes, and organize all financial records. Avoid impulsive reactions. Step 2. Response and intelligence line. Responses are filed. Contact your lawyer or an intelligence line to check for risks. Ethics guide evidence gathering. Now answer only through your lawyer. Provide clear facts, track communications, and avoid public discussion. Step 3. Discovery. Documents, emails, and records are shared. A finance scam might surface. Lawyers examine everything to spot weaknesses. Stay organized, label clearly, work closely with your lawyer, and focus on transparency and honesty. Step 4. Settlement or pretrial. Cases may settle or prepare for the courtroom. Focus on facts, not emotions. Know your goals, understand risks, listen carefully, and avoid rushing decisions. Step 5. Trial. In the courtroom, evidence is shown and witnesses speak. Ethics and preparation guide every move. Stay composed while following your lawyer's guidance and present clear, factual information. Patience and deep breaths maintain clarity. Even experienced people feel overwhelmed. Step-by-step understanding, ethical choices, and legacy planning protect more than finances. They protect confidence. Lawsuits can feel like storms, but knowledge is shelter. Thank you for watching. Jonathane Ricci on Smart Wealth Management.